Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about why Android is simply better than iOS. While both Android and iOS have their strengths and weakness, it's a matter of personal preferences which one is better. Android offers more customization options, a wider range of devices at various price points, and a more open ecosystem for developers. Android also tends to offer more flexibility in terms of file management and integration with other platforms and services. So today we are going to give you some few reasons why some people might prefer Android over iOS. So let's get started. So first thing first is diverse hardware and features. The current lineup of iPhone comes in four different sizes: the standard, plus, Pro and Pro Max models. The bigger the device, the higher the price. Furthermore, even the colors of the iPhones are standard and there isn't any option for a lot of customization. On the other hand, Android comes from different manufacturers, thus, you can always find phones of your choices, design, color, or shape. Other benefits include two SIM slots, a huge touchscreen, a stylus, an 8 screen, and so on. Now, the other one is comprehensive settings. Android and iPhone offer comparable shortcuts for accessing common system settings. On iPhone, you can quickly toggle features like airplane mode, Wi Fi, and Bluetooth through the control center. However, the control center does not provide direct access to the main settings app. In contrast, on Android, swiping down from the top reveals a comprehensive set of settings icons, allowing users to access a wide range of settings with ease. While iPhone's control center allows for quick toggling of certain features, Android's approach offers more immediate access to a broader array of settings options. Now, the other one is prices. Apple exclusively limits its ability to offer devices across all price ranges, unlike Android, which boasts a diverse range of configurations, design, and specification from various manufacturers. This variety ensures that there is an Android device to fit every budget and meet all user needs. While Apple devices typically start at $600 and can reach up to $1,300, you can find a decent Android phone for as little as $150 to $300. Additionally, even high-end Android devices typically max out around $1,000, making them more affordable compared to iPhones. The other one is notification settings. Android devices offer convenient notification management options, allowing users to easily swipe down the notification panel to clear all notifications at once or handle them individually. Additionally, users can access the notification manager by tapping on the small settings icon next to each notification, enabling them to manage notifications for specific applications. In contrast, iPhone notifications are governed by algorithms that sometimes present a single X button to clear all notifications, while other times requires user to clear notifications individually. While iPhones do allow for notification management and grouping, users can also do so by navigating to the settings app, which can be less intuitive compared to Android's more direct approach. So that's it. However, it's essential to acknowledge that iOS also has its advantages, such as more streamlined and consistent user experience across devices, a tightly controlled app ecosystem that prioritizes security and privacy, and timely software updates for a more extended period. Ultimately, whether Android is better than iOS depends on your individual preferences, priorities, and usage habits. Both operating systems have their strengths and cater to different user needs. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.